If by chance you let me just hold you, babe. I'm down on the street. I wanna see you, baby. When indeed you said you would be. Be here, baby. And now I'm in need. And please believe me, baby. I love you, baby. Come on now. Work with me. If by chance you let me come over, down on the street, I wanna see you, baby. If by chance you let me come hold ya, down on my knee, I wanna please you, baby. I'll be righteous. She said, sugar, honey, darling, I really want to see you too. One of them New Orleans women, right? Darling. See, it's just that someone over, and baby, I really want to be with you. Talk to me. Now, if by chance you let me just hold you, well, God and a freeze, I wanna see you, baby. Cause when indeed you said you would be, and you hold the key to my very life, baby. Oh, I love you. Sing a song.
Now if you found that special lover and love keeps you tied to another,
that's the way it goes
on love's train.
I'm looking at a face right now we wrote this song about.
Sometimes heartstrings can be broken. You just have to keep on going.
That's the way it goes
on love's train.
Now I know y'all with me, so break it down. On a warm night, lady wants her baby. She calls me up in the year 2007, right? Watch me. Say, she dialed my number and I don't answer till 2 o'clock. She say, if by chance you just come over, my good baby, I'm down on my knees. I wanna please you, baby. When indeed you said you would be, well, and now I'm in need, and listen, y'all. Sing it with me. That's the way it goes
on love's train.
You don't need no ticket to ride. That's what I'm talking about. I can feel that. That's the way it goes
on love's train.
You got to keep on stroking, that's the way it goes on Love's Train. Say love's a hurting thing, go and make you wanna cry. Come on, baby.
Find that special lover, love keeps you tied to another.
That's the way it goes, baby, on Love's Train. You can find yourself alone. Cause folks just sing it, baby.
Just got to keep on going.
That's the way it goes on Love's Train. In time, everything gon' be alright.
In the exotic, you've been so.
Sing it, baby.
Just got to keep
Yeah, well, that's the way it goes, baby. Yeah, that's the way it goes, baby. You know what? You got to wave your hands in the house tonight. Come on and wave your hands tonight. Said, well, that's the way it goes, baby. That's the way it goes, darling. My, you got to ride it. Woo! You know what? Ride it, all right, that train, baby. That's the way it goes. That's the way it goes, baby. You got to ride it. Woo, I like this part. Come on, ride it, my, hey, baby. That's the way it goes, baby. That's the way it goes, darling. One more. Come on and ride it. Woo! Come on out here, man. Ride. You guys, we gotta go. I'm Michael Cooper. This is Confunction. We'll see you on the cruise.